Welcome. In front of me I have COROS Pace Pro and I'm gonna show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. First we need to open the system menu. To do this we need to press and hold the lower button to open the control menu, then scroll through it by using the touchscreen or the rotating crown. Select the system and then tap on it or press the crown button to enter. Now scroll through the system menu and find the Wi-Fi option, and once you find it, tap on it of course. Something is frozen, so let's wait. Okay, it's done searching for the nearby networks, and here we have the list of networks we can connect to. So find the network you want to connect to. There should be more. Let's try searching again. Okay, let's see. Okay, we have more. So let's say I want to connect to this network. To do it, we can tap on the network. As you can see, we need to enter the password in the phone application. So basically, the watch needs to be paired with a phone. To do this, and here we have a pop-up. We need to enter the password for the network, so give me a few seconds. Then we need to tap on connect. And let's see, it started connecting, and if the password is correct, after a while it should say connected, like this. And now the network will be right here, and under it, it will say connected, which means that the watch is connected to this network. Okay, and then we can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.